just example, let's see how one can create the flow template. So here you can essentially name your template. So let's say now you can see flow setup where you can choose what kind of flow type you would want to create. So it could be more of like a feedback where you are trying to understand the preferences of your customers, or maybe you simply just want to capture certain details, or it could also be used for registration for a webinar, or you could simply create a custom form. So let's just go with custom form. So here you can essentially see, you can give a title to your form, like for example, you're trying to create a lead qualification form for, let's say, the real estate industry. So what you can essentially do is add content, go to drop down. You can give a label like for example, you can create a drop down like such, having the option as timeline to buy, and then having these, for example, as the drop down. And similarly, you can create other or drop downs, and this is how your form would look. So this is how you can create forms or use message templates on Meta.